Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll factor the given polynomial using difference of cubes factoring method. The given polynomial is 64 times x to the power 6 minus 729 times y to the power 12. We cannot do common factoring for this polynomial because there is nothing common between these two terms that we can factor out. This expression is made up of two terms. The first term is 64 times x to the power 6. The second term is 729 times y to the power 12. And these two terms are being subtracted. If we can write these two terms as cube terms, then we can use difference of cubes factoring method to factor this expression. Let's start with the first term, 64 times x to the power 6. The cube root of 64 is 4. So we can write 64 as 4 cube. We can write x to the power 6 as a cube term as x squared cube because 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. This is a very important step we need to understand and memorize. In the second term, cube root of 729 is 9. So we can write 729 as 9 cube. We can write y to the power 12 as a cube term as y to the power 4 cube because 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Now we can simplify this expression. In the first term, the cube is on 4 and x squared and the terms are being multiplied. So we can write 4 and x squared together in parentheses and put the cube outside the parentheses because the cube applies to both 4 and x squared. We can do the same for the second term. Now this expression is ready to be factored using difference of cubes factoring method. The formula for difference of cubes factoring method is a cube minus b cube equals a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. In our expression, a is equal to 4x squared and b is equal to 9y to the power 4. Now we can use the formula for difference of cubes factoring method to factor this expression. In the first parentheses, we get 4x squared minus 9y to the power 4. And in the second parentheses, we get square of 4x squared plus 4x squared times 9y to the power 4 plus square of 9y to the power 4. Now we can simplify the expression in the second parentheses. Square of 4x squared is equal to 16 x to the power 4 because we have to apply the square separately to 4 and x squared. In the second term, we have to do 4 times 9, which is equal to 36. And next we should do square of 9 times y to the power 4. This is the step we get by applying difference of cubes factoring method. This is not the final answer for this problem because we can factor this expression further. We can factor the expression in the first parentheses using difference of squares factoring method. 4 can be written as 2 squared. 9 can be written as 3 squared. And y to the power 4 can be written as square of y squared. The expression in the second parentheses cannot be simplified further, so it will stay as it is. In the first parentheses, in the first term, there is a square on 2nx. We can write 2nx together in parentheses and put the square outside the parentheses. We can do the same for 3y squared. Now we can use the difference of squares factoring method formula to factor the expression in the first parentheses. The formula for difference of squares factoring method is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. In our expression, a is 2x and b is 3y squared. Now we can use this formula to factor the expression in the first parentheses. I get 2x plus 3y squared times 2x minus 3y squared times the expression in the last parentheses, 16x to the power 4 plus 36 x squared y to the power 4 plus 81 y to the power 8. This should be the final answer for the fully factored form of the given polynomial. This should be the final answer. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to factor a polynomial like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.